Shobalabangu mangiyabingelela, Shobalabangu mangiyavusela, Shobalabangu mangiyabingelela, Shobalabangu mangiyavusela. Thokozani bogogo ndawu weshewe, Thobela Morena, Khanya Lisedi, Camago. Shobalabangu mangiyavusela. Welcome to today's insights on a fascinating and thought-provoking subject that challenges our understanding of inheritance and knowledge. For me, it's inspired by my personal spiritual journey, which I am discovering each and every day that it is so multi-layered. At times it's so exciting, and at other times, it's downright challenging. And in those moments, that's when the visual of sink or swim comes to mind, and I dive deeper in discovering my purpose within the divine gift that I am entrusted with. Shobalabangu mangiyavusela, Shobalabangu mangiyabingelela, Shobalabangu mangiyavusela. In the hushed corridors of our cells, where DNA's helix twirls, lies a tapestry of history, a chronicle that unfurls. The echoes of our forebearers, their whispers soft and low, rise within our essence in the genes that ebb and flow. They speak of verdant woodlands, of peaks against the sky, of tranquil azure rivers and constellations that descry. Their essence causes through us, their aspirations bind, their laughter, their anguish in our hearts and minds entwined. Within each strand, each filament, their saga is conserved, a homage to the epochs, the lives they once observed. As we traverse this modern age with aspirations vast, we bear the imprint of our kin, a lineage that's vast. Oh, the sagas etched in the gnomes, profound and ever true. They navigate our journey and paint a point of view. Amidst life's capricious tempests, when our spirits need a mend, we summon their enduring strength on which we can depend. This lesson and recital honors the original poem's spirit, emphasizing the continuity of life. This lesson and recital honors the original poem's spirit, emphasizing the continuity of life and the indelible impact of our ancestors' experience on our own lives. Bogogo, as we navigate through life and its crossroads, may we find ourselves and anchor in our ancestral memories, heal them, cleanse them, archive them. As I delve deeper, I have found and identified some elements of the imprint of my kin that concerns the concept and impact of genetic memories in my life. Check yourself too. Genetic memory refers to the idea that certain memories or abilities can be passed down from one generation to the next through genetic inheritance. Here are some examples. The savants, individuals with savant syndrome often display extraordinary abilities in areas such as music, art, mathematics, without having received formal training. Another example would be a celebrated sculptor, painter, or a portrait artist who can create detailed sculptures of animals after they only briefly glanced on them, even people. Inherited instincts, certain instincts such as a baby's ability to suckle, are considered a form of genetic memory. These are behaviors that they present at birth. As we would say, esiXhoseni, in my case, I learned that my mom is umntana wesingxobo, a child who came out with the amniotic sac. They have extraordinary abilities and intuition, which is believed to be an attribute of being a twin, the sac representing a second being. or a presence. They have high intuition, and one could call it supernatural intuition. As their offspring, you tend to inherit some of these abilities, same as if you have twins in your lineage. Then there's epigenetic memory. Studies have shown that traumatic events can affect the DNA in a sperm and alter the brains and behavior of subsequent generations. For example, descendants who survived the Dutch famine of 1944 to 1945, it was discovered that they have a high intolerance of glucose. We have to observe the children who were born during COVID, what happens with them. Animal studies, experiments with animals suggest that a traumatic event can affect the DNA in sperm and change the brain's behavior of offsprings, indicating a form of genetic memory. For instance, with us people, we always encourage mothers who are pregnant to be in a conducive environment that allows them to minimize trauma to the baby. Now, these examples illustrate the concept of genetic memory, where complex abilities or knowledge are inherited along with other physical and behavioral characteristics. What have you discovered about yourself? Remember, Bokoko, it's your journey and yours alone. Be kind and gentle with yourself. Be mindful of your actions and your thoughts. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Thokozani.